Hello my friends, William Poloniak here from Whole Health Foundation. In this brief video I'm going to show you what to do if you get a strange sound coming from the motor shaft. Now here I have the front loading feed tube, which some of you may have, some of you may not. Never keep your cutter on the shaft, always up here. But let me take this off. Some of you might have the top loading feed tube, but either way you want to remove your feed tube to expose the motor shaft. And if you do a close-up here, I'm going to show you that at the very end of the slot in the shaft there's about 1/8 of an inch here. So when you turn on the motor, there are two things you can do to remove any fiber that might be stuck in here. One is to put the tip of a sharp knife at the very back to scrape out the fiber, like I'm going to do now. Now you have to be very, very careful. Another thing you can do is take some 3-in-1 oil, tip your juicer back, and while the motor is running, put 1 or 2 drops of oil at the back. And then, with a paper towel, you want to wipe off any excess oil. Now there's a third thing you can do if that doesn't work, which I'll show you in another video. Alright my friends, I hope you like what you've seen. If you did, please tell a friend. If you'd like to call me, my phone number is 760-753-0321. My email address is developtrust@cox.net, and my webpage is wholehealthfound.com. Now I'm going to put the front loading feed tube back on, and if you want information about this, send me an email or give me a phone call. The cost to modify your feed tube is only $298, not very expensive. There you have it my friends. See you in the next video.